Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing fun choices for you. Would you rather build your ultimate fantasy bedroom with luxurious choices? But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start. Which of these bedrooms feels like your kind of paradise? Now, take a look at these doors. Which one matches your vibe? Time for a gaming. Are you choosing room 1, room 2, or go with the room 3? Let's pick your favorite pillow. Which one would you go for? Which bedside table would look best in your dream room? Let's make a splash. What does your dream water park look like? Your dream home is up next. Is it on the left, in the middle, or the right one? Let's cool off. Which pool would you love to have? Time to style your steps. Which staircase would you want in your house? Time for fun ride. Are you riding the Paw Patrol train, Hello Kitty train, or the Yoshi train? Stick fans. Let's test your eyes. Can you find the different stitch emoji before time runs out? The different stitch is hiding right here. Did you get it? Get cozy. Which massage chair would you relax in? Make your choice. Now, imagine your dream living room. What does it look like? Choose your earbud buddy. Which one matches with your style best? Time for lighting. Which night lamp makes your room feel magical? Adorable choice time. Do you want the cute kitten, the cute puppy, or the adorable bunny? Time to pick beautiful house for your cute pet. Which one suits your pet style? Your next mission. Comment your nickname, your birthday, or your favorite food. Choose your favorite inflatable pool. First, second, or third option. Let's pick a lounger. Choose quickly. Which one looks most relaxing? Need some more relaxation? Pick your fruit sofa. Which one do you love to have? Which outdoor space matches your style? Choose your favorite toy. Which one do you love to have? Deadpool, Stitch, or Hello Kitty? Which DIY clock design wins your vote? They all look awesome. Now, pick the bedroom view that feels just right. Which view sets your mood? Let's bring imagination to life. Which villa would you choose? Pick your chair for ultimate comfort. Which futuristic chair you love to have? Which tissue box design stands out to you the most? Challenge for Pikachu fans. Stop Pikachu eye in a right place. How many clicks did it take? Comment your answer down below. Time to pick your drawer. Which style would you go with? Pick one. Now it's cooking time. Pick your kitchen. Where you want to cook. Every homes need this. Which sink do you want in your dream home? What does your next dream bedroom look like? Make your choice. Where are you working from today? Pick your office style, option 1, 2, or 3. Which front yard fits your style best? Choose your mission. Like this video, comment your favorite color, or hit the subscribe button for more exciting quizzes. Pick your favorite standing bathroom design. Now let's pick your beautiful balcony. Which one you want in your dream home? Which neon sign is more your style? Pick one. Choose the best headphone design. Which one matches your style best? Time to pick your TV setup. Which one would you go for? Now pick beautiful flowers for your beautiful home. Which flower do you love? Movie lovers. Time to pick your home cinema. This is for music lovers. Choose your musical instrument you love to play. Pick your walk-in closet. Option 1, option 2, or go with the third option. Now let's pick your bedside drawer. Which one suits your bedroom style? Your dream home needs a fridge too. So which design you love to have? And what about microwave? You definitely need this. Pick your style. Let's go for a ride. Which bike would you pick? Make your choice. Tea lovers. Which kettle you want for your everyday tea serving? Time to pick your mirror. Which design would you go with? Let's go on a camping. Pick your tent. Which one you take? Sweet toothpick. Pick your cake, mango, chocolate, or strawberry. Which flavor do you love? Final choice. Pick your laptop, where you watch jumbo quiz videos every day. That was amazing fantasy bedroom adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.